Hello everyone, Amy Wilbanks here with Textile Fabric Consultants. Welcome to the instructional assembly video for the 2024 edition of the Basic Textile Swatch Kit. The kit is designed to be studied from fiber to dye print method. It progresses through textile concepts to be a companion to any textiles textbook. The swatches are packaged in the order that they are to be mounted from 1 to 126. However, some fabrics stick together, leading you to believe that you're missing swatches. Hopefully this video will clear up any confusion regarding the mounting process. If you still need more help or have questions, please contact us using the information at the bottom of the screen. I am also happy to work one-on-one with students through FaceTime, Zoom, or a phone call to help as much as possible. You can also visit the Mounted Swatches section on our homepage. Your kit includes a 3-ring binder, master list, unless you attend a school that requires the master list to be left out, mounting sheets, swatch bundle, pin, tape, and stitch counter. Before we get started, I want to point out some tips that will help you in the mounting process. These tips will also be listed in the comments below. Most of you will have a master list with your kit. You can verify you have the correct edition by checking the copyright date in the bottom left-hand corner of the front page. Please note, we do not sell through Amazon. If you have purchased a kit through Amazon, please make sure you have the correct edition for your class. The front page of the master list includes assembly instructions. In that section, we discuss the C numbers. These are references to fabrics throughout the kit that denote different textile characteristics. You will ignore these references while mounting your swatches. Again, mount the swatches in the order that they are packaged. As you learn textile concepts, you can go back and study and record the information from the reference numbers. Before you begin mounting your swatches, go ahead and number the mounting sheets starting at 1 and going through 126. There are 21 mounting sheets, 6 swatches per page, 3 on the front and 3 on the back. Only pick up one fabric from the stack at a time. Use this video and the Mounted Swatches PDF on the home page to verify that you are placing the swatches in the correct location. The swatches are packaged with the face up. As you mount the swatches, be sure to mount them correctly. Some fabrics do not have a technical face or back like this one, while others do have a technical face and back like this one. As you watch the video, you may come across a fabric that is a different color than the one you are mounting. You can go to the Mounted Swatches section on the home page and see the different color choices for that fabric there. Again, you can always contact us with questions. We want to ensure that you have your kit mounted properly and are here to help in any way we can. We are ready to begin mounting. For the purpose of this video, we will only tape the first 6 swatches so that you can see how to tape them. For the rest of the video, we will just lay them down to save time. When you flip the mounting sheet over to mount the swatches on the back, be sure that you have not picked up 2 sheets by mistake. Also, be careful when taping the swatches across the top. Do not let the tape go over the edge of the mounting sheet. I have accidentally taped 2 sheets together this way, and others have as well. This information will keep you from having to go back and retape swatches on the correct pages.